Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? Welcome to the visual art class. Kids, today we will make a fish. You can see the fish, how this fish looks like a very beautiful fish. Today we will learn how to make this fish. Okay, my dear kids? So let's start. For that, we need one A4 size sheet, one A4 size sheet, white sheet, one colored sheet. If you don't have this color sheet, you can use any of your color sheet available at your home. Fevicol, or you can use glue stick as well. One pencil, sketch pen, and a scissors. Alright kids, so let's start. First we'll take a A4 size sheet and cut it in a square shape like this, my dear kids. Like this, you will make it in a square shape sheet. Okay, and we will cut this half leftover piece. Okay, now your sheet will look like this. Okay, dear kids. Now what we need to do is next we have to fold the sheet like this and crease it neatly. Corners should be pointed like this, and we have to open it once again like this, and we have to fold the sheets like this. You can see the center of the sheet. You have to fold the sheet like this from both the sides like this. Now see how your sheet should look like that. Like this, corner should be pointed, crease should be neat. Okay dear kids, now again we will open this and it will look like this. Now again fold it like this, and we have to see the center where it is. This is the center part, this is a closed part, and this is an open part. We have to cut this half and half closed part up to this crease, up to this line, dear kids. Like this we will cut. Slowly we will cut up to this line, that center line. Okay dear kids, now your paper will look like this. See, you don't have to cut this part, you have to keep this part as it is. Okay kids, now your paper will look like this. Now open your paper. Okay, now kids, with the help of glue, we have to apply some glue in one side of the paper like this, like this, my dear kids, and we have to stick this part with this part like this in a very proper mannered way. Yes, like this. See kids, like this. Now your paper will look like this. See? Yes. Okay kids, you can see. Yes. Now what we need to do is we have to cut this part as well, that corner one. Okay, we will cut it like this in a round shape. Okay, like this, you can see. Okay dear kids, like this. Now your fish will look like this. Okay, next what we have to do, is next we have to take the leftover page from that A4 size page, and we have to cut it like we have to make the lower part of the fish. We have to mark like this, up to like this, like this. Okay dear kids, then we have to cut it with the scissors. Okay, can you see this? We have to cut this with the scissors in a round shape. like this. Okay, dear kids. See kids, like this. You have to cut the paper like this and apply some glue on this small part. Okay, kids. Now you have to stick it inside it like this. Okay, like this. We have to stick it. Okay, dear kids. Now see how your fish will look like this. Like this. Okay. Now next we have to take the color sheet. That color sheet, and we have to cut in the shape. We have to make it like we have to make the tongue of the fish. Okay, dear kids, like this. Now this is the tongue of the ship. This is the tongue of the fish. Now apply some glue over it and again stick it like we have already did. Yeah, like this. Kids, see how your fish look like now. Yes. Okay, dear kids. Now next step is, next what we have to do is, we have to take again this paper and fold it like this and draw with the help of pencil, kind of this. We have to draw like this. Yes, can you see this? Like this. And we have to cut as per their shapes. Okay, dear kids. Now see. Then after cutting, your paper will look like this. Okay. So kids, now your paper will look like this. After cutting, your paper will look like this. Now this small heart, we will apply some glue in the center. Yes, we'll apply some glue in the center like that, and we have to stick it with the tail of the fish. Okay, like this. Can you see this? Yes. And to the second heart, we have to cut it into two halves like this. And we have to apply some more glue over it. Okay. Then we have to stick it again on the fish. We have to apply some glue over it and stick it on the fish like this, dear kids. Yes. Okay. Yes, like this. Again we have to do like this and stick it on the fish. Yes, dear. See how your fish look like. One thing is, now your fish is completed. One thing is missing. That are the eyes of the fish. We have to make the eyes with the color. Okay. Now you can make a circle, big circle in both the sides, and make a small circle and color it. You can use any of your color that look very good. See this? Now kids, see how your fish look like. See how your fish look like. Now this is your fish. Okay. So kids, these are the two fishes. So kids, hope you have enjoyed today's class. So kids, do this at your home. Do please kids make this at your home and share a picture with the ma'am. Thank you so much.